Hello everyone, I am Dhyanam Joshi and today I am going to do a science experiment on inflated balloon. For this, you will need vinegar, baking soda, a plastic bottle, a balloon and a funnel. Add baking soda into the balloon with the help of the funnel. Then pour vinegar into the plastic bottle with the help of the funnel. Now cover the top of the bottle with the balloon. Now hold the balloon up so the baking soda can go into the vinegar. And so now you can see the balloon is rising. You can see we have blown the balloon with the help of vinegar and baking soda.